Email verification failed on OANDA Fix. If your OANDA email verification isn't working, you're not alone. The most common problems are simple issues with your email, browser, or device, not OANDA itself. Begin by checking that your email address is entered correctly. Even a small typo, missing character, or extra space can prevent the verification email from being sent. Next, check every folder in your inbox, including spam, junk, and promotions. Automated emails from OANDA are sometimes filtered incorrectly, particularly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Click the verification link as soon as you find it, because these links often expire quickly. If you haven't received the email, request a new verification link from OANDA. Resending the link usually solves the issue. Browser or device problems can also interfere. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the OANDA mobile app to improve email delivery. Sometimes security extensions or ad blockers can prevent the email from appearing. Some email providers may block automated messages entirely. If this happens, try signing up with another email address, ideally Gmail or Outlook, which tend to handle verification emails more reliably. Finally, if all else fails, contact OANDA support. Explain the steps you've already tried. Support can manually verify your account, giving you immediate access to trading. Remember, double-check your email, check all folders, resend the link if needed, try a different browser or device, and contact support if necessary. Following these steps usually resolves verification issues quickly, so you can start using OANDA without delays.